Hi, Daniel. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine.
Good. All right, let's hear it.
Well, I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, and a major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah. Sing hallelujah, hallelujah, and hallelujah, hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but the only thing I learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. It's not a cry that you heard at night. It's not someone who's seen light. It's a cold and it's a broken hallelujah. Is it hallelujah?